Good morning, afternoon, or evening, everyone. My name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel, and it is early. It's about 4:30 my time, and one of the first comments on today's video was I went to Amazon and I wasn't able to see a preview of what the books look like, and I didn't think about that. They're so new on Amazon, they don't have a preview yet, like a look inside. So I thought, to help you, because I'm also very visual, I would show you each one of them and their layout. They're very small. They're not very big books at all. They're meant for about a month of planning to see if you like the layout and to see if it's a planner that you would like to research and, or like make it into a bullet journal. So when you open the book up, you do have to train it to lay flat, and I would say it's not too bad. I've got this page belongs to, and then this page right here, I've been using as a pen test page, or even this page, using it as a pen test page. The pages are pretty toothy, which means they're going to absorb ink really well. They also absorb like your Tombow or your mild liners or the Pen and Gear brand double-ended highlighters. They also soak those up really, really well. The colors they do appear to be darker on this paper because it is so thirsty. Speaking of thirsty, as I take a drink of my coffee. All right, so this one is the Daily with Weather, and it's tagged down below. You have your weather at the top with your temps, and then 3 priorities or 3 things you want to get done for the day. And then you have 3 columns. Really easy to customize this. You could use this as a personal, business, personal kids, personal school. These 2 columns you can use as like checklists, or you can do hourly down this side and then put appointments or errands, whatever you wanted to do. Keep these 2 columns separately. In the plan with me, I think, I don't want to spoil it. Okay, so the plan for the month is to do a few different layouts in each one of these books to give you an idea of how it could be used. Just to, throw out there my thoughts on, how, when I created them, how I thought they could be used. Do they have to be used that way? No. So this one is the weather with the priorities and then the 3 columns. Let me know down below if this one is of interest to you. There's also enough room that if you wanted to, if you're more of a binder, or if you like the rings or the discs, you could break this book down and punch it. There's plenty in the side. You would just break it down, remove the cover, cut it, bada bing, bada boom. And then it is an A5. It's an A5 size. So that is the first one. The second one, and yes, they all have black covers. I kept it really simple. I can do different color of covers, but I figured black was really just a great base, and then add stickers and all that other, if you wanted to add. It actually works really well with the white gel pen too. You can write on it with the white gel pens. So again, you've got your first page. You can use it as a pen test page. This belongs to, and then this layout, this is like a weekly layout, and it's undated. There's nothing really on it other than the columns and rows. So I want to just preface that you can be as creative as you want with these pages. They are wide open for you to, if you want to use this as a meal planner and you want to put, your ingredients over here and you want to list off your meals here. If you want to use it as a wellness planner, you want to put the days of the week here and then keep track of things. If you want to use this as your weekly, you can do all of that. If you want to add an additional column here, you would have enough columns that you would have, like the teacher's planner, where you could do the days of the week across the top and then have 6 different columns down here to put things in. Again, I am going to be showing you different ways I thought of to use these layouts. So yeah, that is coming up, but I did want to show you all of these because I totally understand that being able to see what you're buying before you're buying. So again, we've got the blank cover, we've got the This Belongs To, and then this one is the weekly with the habits. So you have your habits here. You can put your Monday through Saturday or Monday through Sunday or Sunday through Saturday at the top, completely customizable. You've got your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and weekend, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then you could do a Sunday, just split this. If you have different things going on, you've got this box up here that you can totally use for priorities or additional like checklists. Sky's the limit on this one. So this is the weekly with the tracker. And then the last one is an all-in-one. So I put all of the layouts into one book. So again, we have that front page, and then we pop in to, I'm gonna move these just so I can lay this flat. Move into the weekly with the weather. And then we have got habits, weekly habits with the weekly vertical. And then we have got the weeks all laid out. So all of the layouts here are in one book on Amazon. So I am going to tag these in the order that I showed you down below in the description box. And if I can figure out how to do the timestamps, I will also do that so it helps you order it. Because I do understand once you get on Amazon and you're looking at these, they all look identical. So I'm gonna put these back in order so that I get them right when I put this video up. Again, I'm gonna do multiple different layouts in each one of the books so that you have an idea of what you could do if you wanted to. And then if you have any more questions about the layouts, about the books themselves, let me know down in the comments. I will be available throughout the morning till about 7:30 Pacific Standard Time. And then I'll check on my lunch hour to see if there's any more questions or, you know, if I can help you find anything else that you might be looking for. If you have layout ideas, of course, let me know. And I'll meet you down in the comments. I hope you have the very best day. I love you. Bye.